Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're taking a look at these new Haan slippers that I picked up from Saks off 5th. I was going to say Nordstrom Rack, but that would not be true. Now, I do know that these are available on Amazon, and I believe some colors are even a little cheaper, so I will definitely leave a link in the comments below. Now, I instantly fell in love with the toe of these ballet slippers. They're not square, they're not round, they're not almonds. They're kind of like a hybrid of all. So it really is like the best of all worlds. Just for some updated information, so this is the sticker that you'll find at Saks off 5th. If you even want them to scan it, that could even work. These are called the YARA Soft Ballet slippers, and they are in brush LTR color. They also come in a black. I believe they also come in a navy, maybe even some iridescence. They do have the Haan Grand 360, 350? 360, that looks like a 5, but it is Grand 360. So this is, I believe when they came out with Grand 360, it was kind of like the collaboration between Nike and Haan, or at least around that time. So I always associate these ballet slippers, or Haan specifically, with being really supportive shoes. So that's really why I picked them up. I have a trip coming up and I really wanted to try them out for kind of more city walking, long distance wear, while being kind of like a fall shoe and not a sneaker. So let's go ahead and try these on. Now, keep in mind, my first and forever recommendation when buying shoes, LOL, is that they have to fit right. They cannot be too small, especially if you're trying to walk long distances. You really need them to fit, comfortably. They shouldn't be too tight. They shouldn't be, something you dread putting on. You should really feel like they are supportive. And especially if you're traveling in these, you should definitely bring a few different kinds of shoes, because wearing the same shoe for a very long time, very long distance, can be taxing. So overall, you're starting to see they do really fit well. It is a very soft leather, and they kind of, they fit my foot perfectly. So I definitely recommend checking these out. The good thing about them being on Prime as well is that, or on Amazon, is that they're on Prime. So, if your size doesn't fit, you can order a few. Or if you don't end up liking them, you can return them. Always, always, always go with your gut. If you feel like you're not going to wear them, you're not going to wear them. So thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.